The secret to managing multiple clients without losing your mind. Client management is no simple task. You may have multiple clients that ask for last-minute projects and tasks. Check out these tips for dealing with difficult clients. Whatever your situation looks like, you're under a lot of pressure to deliver quality work quickly. So how do you manage a multitude of clients and keep your internal team on track? 6 tips for managing multiple clients. 1. Start with yourself. If you don't stay organized, you can't expect anyone around you to do the same. Use project management tools like Basecamp to keep track of deliverables and distribute tasks to your team. Project management tools help create a collaborative culture of organization, transparency and accountability. And don't forget to prioritize tasks. This will help everyone stay on track without getting overwhelmed. 2. Create a company calendar so your team knows what you're doing and when you're doing it. It's also a good idea to set aside some time before each client meeting to review your notes from your previous meeting. That way, you know exactly what you need to discuss and accomplish in the next one. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3bj8v7. 3. Finding your rhythm first thing in the morning will help you set the pace for the rest of the day and be more productive. Sometimes, getting started first thing in the morning can be the most difficult part of your job, especially when you know you have a stressful client meeting coming up in several hours. Once you're used to starting your day off focused, you'll naturally switch from happy hour brain to work brain as soon as you step through the office each morning. So what should your morning routine look like? Some people are able to focus more effectively if they only check their emails once a day, and mornings can be a great time to do that. For others, your morning routine might be as simple as making a to-do list of everything you need to get done that day. Here are a few things I do every morning to start the day off right. Because we use Basecamp boards to manage our projects, I get dozens of emails that don't require any action on my part. By marking the ones that do, I can avoid digging through all my emails later in the day when I have the time to finish the requests. As a note, I don't drop everything and respond to emails in the mornings. I just read through them and mark the ones I'll need to address at a later time. Create a task list for the day. I do this after I've read and marked my emails because usually, something in one of those emails is urgent enough to need to be included on the to-do list for the day. Most days, I add a task at the bottom of my list along the lines of address-starred emails so I remember to go back through and respond to emails. I do this after I've read and marked my emails, because usually, something in one of those emails is urgent enough to need to be included on the to-do list for the day. Not only do I have more energy and brain power to get the task done first thing in the morning, but I also start the day off with a feeling of accomplishment by getting these difficult tasks done first. 4. When it comes to campaign or project planning, having an outline of goals and deliverables is crucial. Start with the end goal in mind and identify the materials you need to make that happen. This will also help with that client who is always changing their mind. The process may be a bit different for your business, depending on the type of good you offer and who you serve, but having a clear plan can help any B2B or B2C company stay on track. 5. I know it doesn't feel good to say no, even if the client is a handful. If you can't accommodate a last-minute request without another client's work suffering, you're just going to have to say no. If we constantly respond right away, we condition everyone to expect that from us all the time. 6. Let your clients know the time of day you check your email, whether it's first thing in the morning or right before you leave the office. The rest of the time, I put the phone down, turn off my office chat, close the email tab and focus on the client meeting or the tasks in front of me. This also helps them remember that they aren't my only client. I'll get to their project as soon as I can, but I have other clients who need my help. If your business is like mine, where there are multiple people on a project who work face-to-face with the client, this is a must-have. Then you end up with duplicated work, frustrated team members, and a lot of wasted time. Focus more on client management and less on marketing. In the end, managing client accounts takes a balanced mixture of organization and flexibility. But if we set a foundation, keep organized, and aren't afraid to stick to our guns, we can make an impact for our clients and help our entire team shine and keep our sanity. It's also important to note that if you're overwhelmed trying to manage your business's marketing on top of your projects, you're creating a recipe for disaster. And there's nothing as frustrating as forgetting about a crucial client deliverable or sending a reminder email out after the event has already happened. Let a team of professionals take marketing off your shoulders so you can focus on keeping your clients happy and your business profitable.